Question number 15.
A, B, C.
ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Radius of this quadrant is 14 centimeter. They are telling a semicircle is drawn keeping this as the diameter. This BC is the diameter. Having BC as the diameter, a semicircle is drawn. They are asking us to find area of this shaded region. To find that, first we should need the radius of the semicircle. So we are going to find first the diameter BC, and half of that is going to be the radius. Now you know that in a quadrant this angle is going to be 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of BC. Since this is the hypotenuse side, we have BC squared equal to AB squared plus AC squared. That is going to be 14 squared plus 14 squared, which can also be written as 2 into 14 squared. Now your BC squared is 2 into 14 squared. When you take square root, you will have BC equal to 14 squared. When you take square root, it will become 14. And 2, we don't have square root, so you can just write root 2. Now the value of BC is 14 root 2. Since this measurement is in centimeter, this is also going to be in centimeter. Now we have found the length of the diameter. We are going to have the radius. Radius is going to be half of that. So the radius of the semicircle is going to be half of the diameter, that is 7 root 2 centimeter. Now we have found the radius. Radius is going to be 7 root 2. After this, we are going to find the area of the shaded region. Now ASR, area of shaded region, equal to, I am going to add the area of this semicircle and area of this triangle. When I do that, I will get the entire area of this figure. Area of semicircle plus area of triangle. Area of triangle is ABC. When I add these two, I am going to get the entire region. But I don't want the entire region, I want only the shaded region. So you can see that this part has to be removed. I will show you which part has to be removed. I am making the boundary of that region using this green color. Now it is looking in the shape of the quadrant. So the quadrant area has to be subtracted from the total area. Then the remaining area is going to be area of the shaded region. So from the total of this two, we are going to subtract area of the quadrant. Now we will substitute the formula. You know that area of semicircle is going to be pi r squared by 2, half of the area of the circle. Area of triangle is going to be half into base into height, that is BH by 2. From this you are going to subtract area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is 1/4 of the area of the circle. So we are going to have pi r squared by 4. You should not subtract it directly because radius of the semicircle and radius of the quadrant are not the same. So we will substitute the values. When we substitute the values, we are going to have, they have asked us to substitute pi value 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Now when you are considering the semicircle, radius is going to be 7 root 2. So we are going to have 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 divided by 2, which is there in the denominator, plus this is the base of the triangle and this is the height of the triangle. Since this is 90 degree, this is going to be the perpendicular height. So we are going to have 14 into 14 divided by 2 minus pi value is 22 by 7 into, this is the radius of this quadrant, which is going to be 14 into 14 divided by 4. Now we will cancel whatever is possible. When you cancel, you can cancel 1 7 and 1 7 here. 1 2 is 2, this is 11 times. You can cancel 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. Now 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Then we will have 11 times. So what is left over is 11 into 7 root 2 into root 2 is, root 2 into root 2 is 2, 7 into 2 is going to be 14, plus we have 7 into 14 minus 11 into 14. Now when you multiply, you have 11 into 14 is 154 plus this is 98 minus 154. So 154 and minus 154 will get cancelled. The remaining leftover area is the area of the shaded region, that is 98 centimeter squared. So the area of the shaded region is 98 centimeter squared.